Welcome 7th standard to your history class. This is your 4th history class and I finished explaining the lesson. Now next in the last class video I have explained 3 or 4 answers, isn't it? 5 question answers I've explained, and I'll be sending the notes along with the 3rd video. The 4th video I'm going to explain the rest of the answers. Let's discuss 9 and 10. Let's do 11 and 12. Now let's discuss 9. What are the difficulties historians face in using manuscripts? You know what are manuscripts? Writing with a hand on palm leaves and on bark of trees and all. Now we all know that what are the difficulty they face, because as years pass by these manuscripts and all will be worn out, dravichu pogum, or it would be eaten by insects and all. And also these historians find it difficult to know the handwriting. At present also when you are absent and all, when you copy the notes from other children, you all will find it very difficult. It depends upon the handwriting. You will find out and you all will assume and you all will write the word, isn't it? Same way the historians also, they'll assume the word and then write, and they have to refer to many manuscripts to find out the original one. So these are the difficulties. Now the next one, how the historians divide the past into periods. Do they face any problem in doing so? Now for example, the British have divided the history into 3 groups, that is Hindu, Muslim and British. But the others divided history into ancient, medieval and modern. Ancient, Puradana, medieval, Ekdesham Nadubhagam, and modern means Ippatha. But one thing the historians find it very difficult to divide, because this history is a continuity. And changes also happening. So really they are finding it very difficult. So only these 2 changes we have noticed in this lesson. Now the next one is what? Let's do is compare. In first itself you all have learned about 2 map 1 and map 2. In the what are the similarities? Similarities means both are same, because geographical features are same, different landforms and water bodies and all you can see on both the maps. But what are the differences you find? Because in the first map you can see the South India in the north, Sri Lanka and all in the north, isn't it? And then they didn't use latitude and longitude, all that they didn't use. But in the second map they have used correctly, isn't it? Almost it is similar to the map at present you all are using. And also they have used latitude, longitude. That is the differences between those 2 maps. Now the next one is let's do. That's what now 12th one. Find out where records are kept in your city or village. That you all have to do by your own. Who writes these records? Is there an archive? Who manages it? Because there is one Parsi museum in East Hill. When you visit that Parsi museum in East Hill, you can see all the things and all of ancient coins, pots. The archaeologists have excavated from the earth and they have kept it safely there in that park, in that museum in East Hill. So if there is time, nowadays we can't go anywhere. Really we have to go and find out, and we have to ask who writes these records. Is there an archive? Who manages it? What kind of documents are stored there? All that if we find out from there, we will be able to record all that. That one thing, that you all leave it. We will do it when the school reopens. We will find out whether we can do that. Okay children, that's what for today's class. Thank you.